Let's see what you got in there.
Let's see. We got a sprinkle. Welcome to RIRI'S room.
Okay, what are we doing today?
We're doing slime challenge.
Oh my goodness, the confetti slime.
What? It has a unicorn on it. Me, Mommy?
You need help opening it?
Mm-hmm.
Is it kind of hard to open?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Where'd you go take it?
What? It's come on, make glue. Let's make it.
What's going on?
I can't take it out.
Oh, is there a plastic thing in the middle? Let's see. Maybe if we take this off. Look at that.
It's sprinkles.
You got sprinkles in there? Maybe you gotta turn it over. There you go. There's sprinkles. What else?
Glue.
And glue.
It's so funny. 1, 2. Let's get it out of here.
Get it out of there.
Yeah.
Let's see. Maybe if we push it out. There we go.
Glue.
Glue.
Look at this one. This is a sparkly. Let's
Oh.
make it.
Okay, let's make it. So we gotta look at the instructions.
Let's see.
These are the instructions. Let's see. Mommy can read them for you.
I want to read them.
Okay.
You
wanna
read them.
So first it says we need to put the big thing of glue in there.
Yeah, this one.
So should we do that first?
Yeah.
Okay.
It looks like soap water.
It looks like soap water. Let me see.
It's one of the coat.
Let me help you open it.
Do you hear some? Like this is a hole. It's gonna be so fit. It's like do 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 da do dee dee dee.
Okay, I think I opened it. You ready for it?
I'm ready.
Ooh, it's sticky. Oh my goodness.
Oh,
All right, now pour it into the bowl, Ree.
what's color?
Oh, it's clear.
It's clear water. I like clear water.
But it's glue, right?
It's glue.
It's clear glue.
Clear.
It's going in there.
It's made of.
You got it, most of it out? But let me, oh, good job. Keep squishing it.
So funny.
Keep squishing it.
This is it's had a hair. It's like one of this.
Whoa.
So funny. It's what the
All right, I think we got most of it out, right?
It's really,
Let me use my mommy strength to get the last little bit out.
I want to make it.
And I think that's everything. It says we got to put in that little packet that you were just talking about.
Where's the packet?
Where did it go?
Oh, here it is.
There it is.
This is the packet, and we need to show us. Do you see the little unicorn?
Yeah, so let's put it in there. Let's see if, do you need me to open it
Yeah.
so you can put it in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to see what this changes.
How does it change it, you think?
I think it's gonna change bright reds.
What?
It's gonna change bright one.
Bright?
Yes.
It's gonna become bright?
Yeah.
Stand right there, Ruby,
Oh.
so camera can see you. Okay, ready? Gotta put that in there. Ooh, that's pretty. It's like sparkles.
It's like for the donut. Like
It's like for a donut?
it comes from the pink dolphin.
From pink dolphins? Yeah.
No.
Okay, that's pretty. So it says that you have to start mixing them. So can you mix them together? Wow, look at that.
So pink and
It's
bright.
it is so pink and bright. I agree.
It's like colorful from the donut.
Yeah.
Do you want to feel it? It's sticky.
Ooh, it's already getting kind of slimy because of the glue, right?
Yeah.
So keep mixing it. Mix, mix, mix.
Ooh, it's so big. It's like the inside.
What's your
of
favorite color, Rihanna?
pink.
Pink is your favorite color?
It looks like my dress.
Like your dress is pink, right?
Ooh, it's so gluey.
Yeah. You should. I wonder what everyone else's favorite color is. Maybe they should let us know in the comments down below.
I don't know. I think it's like glue slime or like ant
It
slime.
looks like glue slime. So what's the next part? Since you mixed it up pretty well there, now the next part is you have to mix in your sprinkles. Where are your sprinkles? There they are. All right.
Open it.
Do you know how to open it?
Yeah, open it.
You want me to open it?
Yeah, it looks like colorful.
Now we're gonna drop 2 at a time. Oops. Oh, that's not supposed to go in there. Here, let's put that on the paper. There we go. Sorry. All right, let's try this again.
I need to wash my.
Oh, you need to wash your hands? Okay, that's 1, 2. Okay, mix it, mix it, mix it. You need me to help you hold it steady? Okay, ready? 1, 2.
So
Keep mixing. You gotta mix them. Mix it well so that it turns into slime. It's already starting trying to clump up a little bit. Let's keep going. Oh, that's more than 2. Rihanna, not so much. What are we gonna do?
8 drops.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough. No more. It's gonna. I don't know how this slime stuff works.
I need a 1 drop.
You need to put 1 more drop in?
It's so slime.
It looks so slimy.
1, 2, 3.
Uh-oh. Hey, don't wipe it on your dress. Keep mixing it. Don't touch it. Keep mixing.
Just mix it.
Keep mixing it so that it turns into real slime. Because it's got to be like
So
stuck together.
like stuck together, like sticky or like sits.
Mhm.
It's so fun.
Mm-hmm.
So fun to play.
Whoa, that's a big piece. Keep mixing.
It's so salty.
Has begun mixing it with her hands. She's starting to mix it with her hands. How does it feel, Rihanna?
Good.
Riri? Yeah, feels good?
See, it's so
It looks so slimy.
It's like a blob.
It is like a blob.
What? So sad. Get out of my way. What? It's so sticky. So weird. Smell it.
You want to smell it? Oh, that smells weird.
It smells like chocolate.
It smells like chocolate.
It smells like strawberry.
Like strawberries. So that's unicorn slime, DIY unicorn slime. Let me see. I think it's not mixed right because I think it should be less sticky than this. Maybe it needs more contact solution.
I want to do it.
So let's see if that helps.
I need to help with it too.
Okay, that actually kind of helps like right away. Because look, now it's not so sticky.
It's like
Like, you want to try? Look, now it's not so sticky. Now it's really like slime. Because slime is actually not supposed to be that sticky. It's just supposed to be like malleable so that it can like stretch a little bit.
It's like mints.
Look how shiny that is and sparkly.
It's slick. Like it. What kids? Hi kids. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Look at so sparkly, so sparkly. It's pink.
That makes a funny noise. Whoa! Watch where you're swinging that! Whoa! Watch where you're swinging that! Rihanna! Riri, you're silly. Whoa, 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 whoa! Hey! Whoa!
Let us know in the comments down below.
Let us know in the comments down below what they think, right? About this DIY unicorn slime.
If you make slime, you need a minute or one in the comments.
Yeah, let us know in the comments if you make slime, right?
You make slime with me on Aunt.
Yeah.
You will smell the slime.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.